my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I'd love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig sponsor is Luvmehair, so thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. Our face framing layered cut bouncy water wave glueless 4x4 lace closure with bangs. One of the really cool things about this wig is that it comes with face framing layers in the front of this wig, so you guys don't have to worry about framing your face. Because I know with me personally, especially with my curly units, I'm always cutting the hair trying to get it to like shape my face a little bit more, but this wig already comes with that done. Also, I already showed you guys the lace, but the lace on this wig is so seamless, y'all. Like, do y'all see that? And that's one of the best thing about Luvmehair's wigs is that their lace is just so, it's just chef's kiss, y'all. Like, it just looks so good. Just have an adjustable strap, so you guys can use this strap in the wig to make this as loose or as tight that you want it to fit on your head, because this is going to be a glueless install. And typically with my Luvmehair wigs, I do glueless installs because they're just so easy. This is straight out of the box, y'all. Like, I did not do anything to this wig. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck it. Nothing. Like, this is literally straight out of the box. First thing I'm going to do is just put some makeup on this lace. For me, I use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 330. So this is how the wig looks on. As y'all can see, look at these curls. They look really good, but of course I'm gonna go in and define them a little bit more. So far, this wig feels pretty tight on my head. Like I said, this wig does have an adjustable strap, so that does make it like 10 times better for the security on your head. So I don't know if I'm gonna use any spray. So I actually changed my mind. I think I'm gonna go in and just pluck a little bit more along the hairline so I can kind of make it a more natural look. So I'm just gonna take my tweezers really quick and just pluck it. Not too much though, just a little bit.